The Fitcamx 4K dashcam for Volvo and Polestar 2 is a sleek, high-performance device designed to blend perfectly with your vehicle's interior while delivering exceptional video quality and protection on the road. It installs effortlessly using a plug-and-play system that connects directly to the vehicle's auto-dimming rearview mirror, eliminating the need for drilling or wire splicing. If you prefer an OBD or fuse box connection, simply reach out to the seller before purchasing. One of the most striking features of this dashcam is its flawless OEM-style design. It's crafted to match the original contours of your rearview mirror cover, making it virtually unnoticeable and preserving the aesthetic of your car's cabin. Despite its discreet appearance, the Fitcamx packs serious technology under the hood. With 4K UHD resolution powered by a Novatek processor and an f/1.6 aperture lens, it captures crystal-clear footage day and night. Whether it's license plates or street signs, every detail is recorded with outstanding clarity. Night driving is no problem thanks to advanced wide dynamic range (WDR) technology, which enhances image quality in low-light environments. This ensures that nighttime footage remains sharp and useful for reviewing road incidents or submitting evidence. The dashcam also features loop recording, which automatically overwrites the oldest files to save space, and a built-in G-sensor that locks and protects critical footage during sudden impacts or collisions. Depending on the version you choose, you can also add a 1080p rear camera with 360 degrees rotation. This rear cam can be mounted to monitor traffic behind you or even face the cabin for added security. Each package includes a memory card, front camera cable, pry tool, and user manual, ensuring you have everything you need to get started right out of the box. For best compatibility, be sure to provide your vehicle's model, year, and a photo of the rearview mirror area when ordering. The camera supports up to 256 GB microSD cards, giving you plenty of space to store your driving memories and vital moments. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just want peace of mind, the Fitcamx 4K dashcam delivers premium protection without compromising your car's look.